If you're an expat moving to Dubai, you're in for a treat. Living in Dubai is an exciting and unique experience. Dubai is a vibrant cosmopolitan city with a rich cultural heritage and excellent job opportunities. It offers an exciting and unique experience with a high quality of life, diverse social life, and plenty of opportunity. That being said, if you're someone moving from the UK, you may experience culture shock. While Dubai is a very metropolitan city with a large expat population, it is still a city in the United Arab Emirates (UAE), an Islamic country that follows Islamic laws. Additionally, despite having all the modern conveniences, it is still situated within the Arabian Desert. Here are 5 things you should know before moving to Dubai. 1. Dubai follows Islamic laws. In the UAE, the laws are based on the Islamic faith. This law system is used as a guide to morality and behavior, in addition to the non-religious legal system. Although Dubai is less strict than other areas, all foreign nationals must still abide by the traditional laws and respect the customs. One of the most crucial rules to follow is the observance of Ramadan. Muslims in Dubai fast during Ramadan, abstaining from eating, drinking, smoking, and chewing gum in public during daylight hours. Non-Muslims, except pregnant women and small children, are expected to abide by this rule. If you're moving to Dubai, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the official language of the city, Arabic. Knowing some basic Arabic phrases and words can make your trip to Dubai more enjoyable and help you better communicate with locals. While a few languages are spoken in Dubai, Arabic is the official language spoken by most of the population. Learning basic phrases and words can help you get around the city and make the most of your trip.
Dubai is an excellent place for visitors to experience the culture and learn more about the city. Several cultural attractions, such as the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding, offer an insight into the local culture and customs. Several museums and galleries showcase the history and culture of the region.
The heat and humidity can be oppressive, with temperatures reaching up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius in the summer months. But with some preparation, you can ensure you're ready to tackle the heat and have a great time in Dubai. Bring light and breathable clothes, a hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen when traveling to Dubai. Protect your skin from the sun by applying sunscreen regularly. Most importantly, remember to stay hydrated.
The cost of living in Dubai is significantly high, making it essential to research and budget accordingly. A one-bedroom apartment's rent can range from PS $1,300 to PS $3,700 per month, depending on the location and quality of the accommodation. Food and groceries are comparatively expensive, and transportation costs are usually high. Utility costs can also be expensive, with electricity and water bills often reaching up to PS $170 per month. Overall, the cost of living in Dubai can be high, but with careful budgeting and research, it is possible to make it work. As an expat moving to Dubai, you will have lots of time and opportunities to explore the culture and customs of the region. By being respectful and understanding of the local culture, preparing yourself for the hot weather, and finding a way to afford the cost of living, you should find it easier to integrate, blend in, and thrive in one of the most progressive and prosperous cities on earth. Expat living can be hard. Let's make it easier.